Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Geekified, and today in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can hide your Instagram stories and reels from certain users. So without wasting anyone's time, this is Anshul Sharma and let's first hit the intro. So let's first see how you can use these straightforward methods to hide your stories from selected individuals. So first, on your Android device or if you have an iPhone, so launch the Instagram app and make sure that you are signed in into your account. Now just tap on your profile picture here at the bottom right of the screen so that you can navigate to your profile page. Now to access the story settings menu, just locate and tap the three horizontal lines situated in the top right corner. And here you'll see so many available options. So here in the search section, just type for story, and here you'll see the first option of hide story and live. Just tap on it and again tap hide story and live from. And here you'll see all of the people to whom you want to hide story from. And if you're not seeing, you can just search as well. Let's say I want to hide Om Dibagul. So I'm just gonna tap here and Om Dibagul will be selected. Then after that, just tap on done. And this way, not just your story, also the live videos from these people will be hidden. You can also find hide story and live in the who can see your content section as well. And once you have updated all of your settings, the chosen users will no longer be able to view your stories or even live videos. Now there is an alternative method as well, which is to hide story directly. So you can hide all of those people who sees your stories directly from your story viewers. So let's say you've posted any story. And now let's say someone views your story. Let's refresh and check again. As you can see, Anshul Sharma, which is me, has seen this story. Now if you just tap on these three dots here you'll see three options. Either you can block them directly, or you can hide your story from them, or you can view their profile. You just have to choose hide your story, and then it will again ask for a prompt, so just tap on hide again. And that way it's written that Anshul.Sharma17 will no longer be able to see your story. And the name's opacity has also been reduced, meaning that this person has been hidden from watching your stories. Now let's say you made a mistake, now you want to undo this action, so just tap on these three dots again and then just tap on unhide your story. And that way you can hide and unhide people directly from the story lists and viewer section. Alright, that was all about the story. But what about the reels? Well, for the reels, the things are a little different because you cannot directly hide reels from people. Which means that if you have a public account and you're posting any reel, then it can be watched by anyone. Which also means that anyone can remix your reel as well. Until and unless you deliberately turn off the remixing setting. And not just that, people can also download your reels directly from the Instagram app. But there's a setting as well to turn off your reel downloads too. Now this information is for the people who have a public account. Now let's talk about all of those private accounts. So for private accounts, only your approved followers can see and share your reels. And also no one will be able to record a reel using your original audio or text or remix your reel. So now let's say you want to manage who can remix your reels in the Instagram app. So again, just tap on your profile icon here and here tap on the three dots and here tap on the three lines. Now here in the how others can interact with you section, just tap here on sharing and reuse. Here scroll down and you'll see two options, posts and reels. So just select the reel section and this toggle will automatically turn off. So that way people cannot reuse your content or remix them. Now keep in mind that changing this setting will affect all of your reels. Now let's talk about how you cannot allow people to download your reels. So let's say I picked a reel that I want to share. Now just tap on next, and after you have done all of these things here, just tap on more options. And here you'll see the option of allow people to download your reels, which is turned on by default. So you just have to turn this toggle off. Now it will give you a prompt whether you want to turn off for all reels or just turn off for this reel particularly. So you can choose depending on your needs and requirements. So for now, let's just tap on turn off for all reels. And then if you go back, now you can easily share your reel and nobody will be able to download it. So that was all about turning off downloading your reels. So again, this is for the public account, and if you have a private account, then no one on Instagram can download your reels. Having said that, these were the main ways by which you can hide or manage privacy of your stories and reels. If you have any questions, do let us know in the comment section, and also like this video, share it with your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe to Geekified. With that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep enjoying your life and let the editor also enjoy his life.